Hello, 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 Mayo Billies. This is what we are doing tonight. We have found the bowling alley. They had where's the pool tables at?
There's a little bar over here on the side of it.
Okay, they're gonna do this, then they're gonna go shoot pool. We just got us some cokes and some beer, and then we're probably gonna get some food here. I don't know yet.
Yeah, comfortable table in here.
This is my nephew, Jeff. You missed it. Oh man, I thought they were mine. I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing. Papa, move. You're in my video. I just asked him the same thing.
Around? Huh?
Say hi. Tell them hi. Tell them people. Tell them hello.
Who that? Hello.
Thank you.
Hello.
I'm filming for my YouTube.
Hello. How much was that?
With them and just these drinks was what, 20? 23? 24? For all them, for drinks and that six pack? They can sell all kinds of food up there. I'll probably just wind up getting some supper here. Missy, you're in the way. I don't bowl, I just watch. Who's winning? Oh, it's not taking score? I've been having fun and everything and enjoying myself, but I'm ready to go home. Yeah. I miss sitting in my office doing my videos and stuff, and my nails are coming off because they've been on too long, and yeah, and I didn't bring nothing with me to fix them, and you know, it is what it is, and I just want to go home. I don't want to go home, but I do want to go home. I do miss my home, but I am having fun here in Florida. That's for damn sure. So I'm trying to get every vlog thing I can in as we're here. We're on vacation. I'm not sitting, so trying not to anyway. We went and ate lunch today at CC's. We stayed out at the beach all day today. We did our shopping, which I did the videos on that. I did buy a bunch of stuff, which I'll get it all. I got one of the outfits on now, which I'll try to get a video on what we bought. I spent $250. And I think Misty, how much did you spend in the shopping center on the beach? $140. Megan, how much did you spend? About 100. So they got what? That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About $500 off all of us together, and 2 stores. So I'm going to try to show you what we all got. The shirt Missy got on, she bought that. The one Megan's got on, that one was bought. The one Dad's got on, it was bought. And Kelsey don't have anything on, it was bought down there, does she? And then what I got on, I don't know if you can see what I have on. Sorry, turn myself around. Can you see me? Can you see me? I don't my face, my clothes. So this is one of the outfits, shorts and shirt. And I got a few other things. So yeah, as soon as I can, I'm gonna show y'all, the stuff that we bought. And I ripped the tags off of these. I don't remember. I think the shirt was 14, the shorts were 14 or something. And I left the tags on everything, so we'll see it all. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go, and I will check back in with y'all tomorrow. I think we're going to the Navy base to tour tomorrow, so that's going to be a lot of video because that's a lot of footage to cover. So every video will probably be base, because they have so much to see. It's just crazy. And I think we're doing what is that, 72 steps? 172 steps lighthouse that you have to climb to go on. That's gonna kill me, but your girl gonna do it. It probably takes me 3 hours to get up there. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. But until then, my hillbillies, I love y'all, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. Love ya.